This melts the fat of 8 hours. Every night before going to bed, drinking this allows you to eliminate everything you ate during the day. Blends possessing laxative properties are more effective for burning fat. If you just stop for a second and imagine what a combination of these two could do for you. It is also important to mention that abdominal fat and fat in the legs is the most difficult to eliminate. On the other hand, the body can burn fat during the night, while sleeping. In other words, the more you sleep the better it is for the body. However, this process is not something natural and you need to stimulate the function of the digestive system and speed up the metabolism in order to help the body to burn fat. During sleep the body develops the muscles and recovers, but this does not do it by itself. To stimulate this process, you need to consume something that promotes fat burning. The recipe that we show you in this video is the best you can consume. In fact, it has been shown that drinking this mixture before bedtime and staying away from food a few hours before consuming it will stimulate the body and make it burn fat like never before. As we said, this drink has the property of eliminating the fats consumed during the day, in addition to helping our body to eliminate toxins and accelerate our metabolism, and the best of this is that it does not cause side effects, on the contrary strengthens our body. Ingredients: 1. Parsley. 2. 2 lemons. 3. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 4. 2 tablespoons honey or ginger. 5. 1 sprig of cinnamon or a spoonful of this powder. 6. Half liter of water. Preparation: 1. We will simply combine these ingredients and consume the drink before going to bed, instead of having dinner. 2. Regular consumption of this drink promotes fat burning like you have never seen before, and its results are amazing.